In this module, we will look at the estates and interests in land. Land in England and Wales is held under a feudal system. This means that all land is theoretically owned by the Crown. The Crown has what is known as an allodial title, meaning that it does not have anyone above it in the feudal system. Persons can be given the right to use land either forever or for a fixed period of time. This right is known as an estate in land. By Section 1.1 of the LPA 1925, only 2 estates in land exist. They are the fee simple absolute, or freehold, and the term of years absolute, or leasehold. The freehold is regarded as the highest grade of title that is capable of existing in English law, aside from the allodial title that the Crown enjoys to land held in the royal domain. It continues in perpetuity and allows the owner to occupy the land forever. Even in very rare circumstances, the freehold estate never comes to an end. Breaking down the term fee simple in possession. Fee, the estate is capable of being inherited. Simple, the estate can be inherited by any heir, i.e. it will last as long as there are heirs to inherit, even remote relations. Absolute, the fee simple must not be subject to any restriction, under which it could be determined earlier than it otherwise would. For example, leaving property to my son Frank in fee simple, provided he never becomes a solicitor, would not be absolute because it would be a conditional estate. Similarly, leaving property until he qualifies as a solicitor would be a determinable estate rather than absolute. In possession, the estate must be current, not one which gives someone the use of the land at some point in the future.